Photosynthesis versus cellular respiration. Photosynthesis is the use of sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose. And on the flip side, you have cellular respiration, which converts oxygen and glucose into water and carbon dioxide. Both of these processes are naturally occurring in plants. Photosynthesis occurs with the use of cytoplasm in the cells to absorb sunlight and use its energy to convert the carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose. And this is an anabolic process. Cellular respiration uses proteins breaks down the sugars in the oxygen and glucose as a catabolic process to make the water and carbon dioxide. Cellular respiration is also used in bioremediation, which is the cells breaking down toxins to create biowaste or things used in photosynthesis. So it's another way to say cellular respiration, where it breaks down toxins that have been put into the environment that can then be converted into things that the plants can use to photosynthesize to then repopulate the environment in a healthy way to further grow the land. Both of these processes are needed to maintain a plant. They are needed on both sides, so you can't have cellular respiration and not photosynthesis because you need one to produce the products for the other one. Without the production of oxygen and glucose, cellular respiration couldn't happen. And then without the production of the water and carbon dioxide from the cellular respiration, the plants wouldn't be able to photosynthesize to create the food that they need to continue to grow. So both of these processes work opposite of each other, but they need each other to work together, so therefore they go hand in hand, making it important to have both present in a healthy plant cell and in an environment to continue to have healthy plants and have prosperous crops. So it's basically a form of an environmentally friendly recycling. One half helps the other and they continue to move forward. So photosynthesis and cellular respiration are two different processes, but they are both necessary equally to continue to grow a plant and make it prosperous.